Hello， 大家好，我係 Kevin from Crypto MY。呢一集啊，我哋嚟睇一下啦，成個 Crypto 嘅 market 發生緊咩事啦。如果你今日有睇 Crypto 啦，你都會好傷心啊，可以咁講係咪？因為好多 pairings 都係紅色。你睇如果睇翻成個 Crypto market 啦，好紅啊，紅。所以發生緊咩事咧？做咩會咁紅咧？人哋而家落去點樣嚟做咧？你係咪愛開始賣咗咧？呢個成個 crypto market 已經嗰個 bull market 係已經冇咗啦，而家係變翻 bear market 啦，開始冧啦，開始人買啦。所以我哋嚟睇下發生緊咩事。OK， 如果你有睇翻我嘅上個 video 啦，我有講到呢個所謂嘅就係前日嘅 video 啦，我有講關於到touch 到少少關於到呢個 Bitcoin versus US dollar 呢個 chart 嘅。我有講嘅，如果佢呢個 Bitcoin 係咪佢嘅立足啦，又破到呢個55,000呢個價位啦，就係呢個三條線啦，呢個好 strong 嘅 support 啦。如果佢破落去嚟講，佢有好大個可能會落到51,000幾嘅。所以我哋嚟睇一下啦，呢個成個 Bitcoin 嘅 scenario 啦。如果我開翻 Day One 嚟講，呢個有好3個 strong 嘅 support 啦。嗰日我講㗎啦，可以大啲嚟睇啦，咁你容易睇啲。所以你睇到呢個有3個 support 啦，嘛，所以佢又破落去啦。所以一破落去嗰時咧，我都有講啦。如果佢真係破落去嚟講，佢有好大個可能會落到呢個51,000。and 佢真係有落到啦，睇到冇？一破落去，佢落翻51,000啦，所以呢度咧，佢又做一個所謂嘅少少bounce back 啦 ，from 呢個51,000啦 ，and then 就係今日啦，今日嘅立足啦 ，close below 51,000就係49,000幾啦，佢唔係 close 啦，佢係行緊 around 呢個49,000幾啦，所以呢個係好 strong 好 crucial 嘅 moment 啦，因為做咩 Bitcoin 會諗到咁緊要啦？係因為有幾個新聞啦，就係第一個最大嘅新聞就係呢個所謂嘅 US President 啦，呢個拜登啦 ，to propose nearly doubling capital gain tax for the rich。哇，誇張啫！因為有咁嘅新聞係咪？去整到成個 market panic，especially 啲大嘅公司有啲有錢人啊，when 去 propose 咁嘅嘢啦。Doubling capital 啦，意思係講把 right 佢嘅 capital gain 啊，佢嘅 tax 啊係28%嘅佢個 rate，and then 佢講 the plan would boost the capital gain rate to 39.6 啊 ，those who are earning 1 million or more， 哇，減死啫，係嘛？所以並冇咁讀啦。其實你問我啦，呢個 proposal 會唔會be accepted 咧？其實我會講90%到80到90%咧係會變 rejected 嘅咁嘅 proposal， 係唔係太誇張㗎啦？你一下子起100%有啲少少過分啦。所以嚟呢個成個新聞講啦，成個嘢講啦，你都係明白到其實 Joe Biden 係 propose 嘅。係一個 proposal 啫，佢有諗到我做咁嘅嘢，但係佢唔代表佢會做。其實呢個成個 proposal 咧係未100%confirm 㗎啦，所以even 都佢未 confirm 啦，都開始好多人 panic 咗，成個 panic 啦，好多人開始買驚嘛，所以呢個係最大嘅原因啦。做咩害到成個 crypto 嘅 space 啊 ，even stock 啊，都係諗到緊要㗎。所以我可以講嘅係，如果你哋仲係一個 holder 啦，或你哋有一個 buy position 啦，或你哋有收好多個 coin 啊，我係俾個意見嚟講，如果你唔等錢使嘅，我去買咯。因為咁嘅新聞咧，我會覺得遲早都會做一個好大嘅 recovery。所以係咪我哋睇翻呢個嗰日我講嘅 wing 呢個 price prediction 啦？喺呢個 wing 嗰時咧。我都有講過，如果呢個 wing retrace 唔到翻上去，佢有好大個可能會跌到呢個0.0058呢個價位嘅。所以我哋睇下 wing 發生咩事喺而家嘅測。所以我哋打下 wing。OK，而家 wing 啦，如果而家我睇翻 day one chart 啦， 我哋去翻4 hour chart 啦。所以 wing 咧冇上到去啦，係破唔上去。And then 喺呢度咧就喺呢度咧做一個所謂嘅reversal pattern 嘅 move 啦，就係一個好 bearish 嘅 move 啦，一個 bearish pattern 啦。你有冇呢度一個 bearish pattern 落去？所以並且有咁嘅 confirmation 啦，好大個可能我會繼續諗啦。所以而家喺諗到去邊度咧？佢就係曾經都諗到去0.7呢個價位嘅，所以我哋睇呢個線我畫嘅嗰日都係差唔多啦，差唔多掂到嗰條線啦。我會覺得呢個成個 bearish 嘅成個 market 啦，會 last for quite some time 啦 ，until 呢個 proposal might be rejected 啦，佢有一個 decision 啦 ，might be rejected 啦 ，might be accepted 啦。Of course， 如果呢個 proposal 真係 accepted 嚟講，好大個可能 Bitcoin。我呢個成個 crypto space 會繼續冧仲更加多嘅，但我哋可以做係希望呢個 proposal 會被 rejected 啦，所以佢有好大嘅機會會有 recovery 啊。做呢啲我哋可以等嘅係睇個新聞啦，呢個成個新聞啦，呢個成個 process 成個 proposal 啦發生緊咩事啦 ，within 呢個 few weeks or few months 嘅。OK，so I think that's all for today 啦。就係如果 even though 我做成隻analysis for 呢個1、2、3、4、5、7、8 every crypto 都係一樣嘅情況嘅而家。especially Dogecoin 啊，其實 Dogecoin 都諗到好緊要啦。你會睇翻 Dogecoin 嚟講 ，Dogecoin from 4角4諗到去而家2角。差唔多諗到180先係好誇張嘅，所以我哋有講，如果你可以入呢個 Dogecoin 咧，你可以明白你嘅 risk ratio 啦，係因為我可以講一樣嘢啦 ，whatever goes up fast will come down even faster。有咩係上得快嘅，落都係落特別快啲嘅。所以I think that's all for today episode。如果你真係中意個 episode 嚟講，記得幫我 like、share、subscribe 啦。Let us pray and最緊要係我哋唔可以 panic 啦。OK，so I see you guys soon and bye bye。